Alrighty, this is Senior, Prestige Motorsports. You know, this is the time of year everybody kind of asks you, what are you thankful for? Well, you're looking at it. These guys here are kind of what we call our unsung heroes. Obviously, these are the guys that I work with every day, day in, day out. Obviously, we have our sales staff, our accounting staff, our car shop, we got Doug. But these are the guys that basically I spend a lot of time with. And without these guys here, we are nothing. And I'm just really blessed to have a great crew, a great bunch of guys. We work good together, and just really wanted to thank them and basically kind of introduce each one of them to you, so you kind of got a name and a face when you see something getting done on your project. And we'll go through the deal here. This here is Jason 2. He is the crating guy. So basically, when you open your crate and you're just wowed by how professional it looks and stuff of that nature, this is the guy that does that day in, day out. This is Jim. He's the head of our CNC cylinder head development program. So that's what he does. This is Sean. Some of you might know him. He's the one that kind of, if you call in, he updates you on, does all our social posts. So very important part of our procedure. This is Bill. He does all our prep work on the blocks, gets them all ready for machining. We have Justin 2 over here, or just 1 over here. He does all the block machining, balancing, things of that nature. This is Mike. He is the guy that schedules all your crating, and he does all the parts and stuff like that. So very important part. This here is Darren. He does all the short block work. And this is Cody. He does all the finishing assembly and pretty much everything that goes on in the shop. He is my son, very proud of him, so kudos to him. So that's it in a nutshell. And we just want to thank you for your business this year, and hopefully you have a great Christmas and a Happy New Year.